Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Filecoin. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price and the Filecoin formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now let's take a look at the live chart. And this is the daily time frame chart. Here you can see that previously we have been following this down channel and this descending triangle. And after the breakout from this descending triangle, the price and rallied very well and broke out this very long-term resistance zone from $4.60 to $5 and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $8.12, and now it is dropped down here and testing this support zone once again that was previously working as a resistance zone. Despite this long spike, the pricing could not break it down. Right now, we are again testing the bottom of this support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very, very massive breakout that is happening here on this 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024. In the video's description, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for PIVX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Filecoin, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line of Filecoin has formed a descending triangle. Here we have recently found a resistance. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and rejection here. And this support zone, that is a quite long-term support zone from $5 to $4.60 is working as a support for this descending triangle as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone has been previously working as a resistance zone here, support here, resistance, support here, and resistance here, support here, and for several weeks or months, it has been working as a support here as well. Therefore, now again, it is working as a very, very strong support. Despite this long spike here and here, the pricing could not break it down so far. Right now, we are again testing the bottom of this support zone, and therefore, this support is really, very critical. For example, if the pricing breaks it down, then technical target to the downside for this breakdown will be here. Let me place the trend line once again from here to this support, then target will be approximately here, slightly lower than the next support of $3.20. By the way, this $3.20 is another very, very strong support. You can see that for several weeks it has been working as a support here, and it was also working as support for this previous descending triangle as well. But in case of breaking out this triangle, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $8.37. And if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out this long-term resistance of $8.12 as well. That is a very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $8.12 has been recently breaking as a resistance here. Before that, for a few weeks, it has been breaking as support here, resistance here, and resistance here as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this down channel, if you're at the top of the channel at $11.40, and the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between $250 to $300. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.